Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be going along with whatever we have built in the previous video. We'll be just be adding the AR functionality to a rotating cube. Okay, frankly saying, it will require very little code. You might see like how much Three.js and handling stuff behind the scenes for us. Okay, so what we're going to do is like we'll be first creating a new file. Okay, we'll copy everything whatever is already there. Save it. Okay, we're gonna enable the render property. We need to tell basically the render or Three.js to enable the WebXR for us. Okay, then we need to cop import AR button from Three.js examples directory. Sorry about that. JSON WebXR. Okay, now I'll just copy the AR button and attach it to a DOM like how I had done for the canvas. Something similar to that basically. And it will require a renderer. Okay, let's see what we have already now. Okay. npm render. That's okay. So as you can see, it's saying AR not supported is coming up because it's obvious. Like since I'm showing this whole video in the laptop, which doesn't have AR support. But what we can do is like we can leverage something called WebXR API Emulator extension. Okay, it's gonna help you do developing your mobile in your laptop itself without you touching your mobile. But yeah, so it's quite helpful, frankly saying. And I have already installed it. I am gonna go to WebXR tab, and I am going to select specifically this Samsung Galaxy S8 plus AR, okay, option. Then I'm going to close it. I'll just refresh. I don't need to keep it open. And as you can see, the start AR button came up. Now I'll click on it. As you can see, it's a background is coming up. Why? Because you might be thinking is because the reason is like Three.js is gonna give a default background by itself. So we need to tell Three.js not to give it for us because we want the camera's stuff to come up. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to put alpha true. And now you might be thinking why we can see a white background, because by default I have not given any styling to the body. So what I'm going to do is like to make a little bit look nice, otherwise the cube is look very anyway, so it will look better somewhat. It's my goal. Okay, so now as you can see, and if I click on start here, okay, now also you will be thinking why again I can't see the cube. Well, the cube should come in this mobile reference, not in the area outside. Okay, so anyway, you might be thinking because if you had followed my previous video, I would be assuming like basically what's happening here is like uh, the camera cube is not in front of the camera again, basically that same issue. So what you're gonna do is like we're gonna change the position of the camera, sorry, the cube this time 0 0 minus 2. Let's see how it will be placed. Okay, refresh, start. As you can see, the cube which is rotating in front of camera. Okay, so this is the way you can go about WebXR API Emulator. I'll show you another way also where you can use your mobile and connect with it, but your mobile has to support WebXR. And one more thing is like there's some glitch. I think I'm not facing it my laptop or mobile, I guess. But still, you should be able to follow along properly in your mobile if your mobile supports WebXR. Okay. So anyway, I've connected mobile to the USB thing, basically using that. Okay, as you can see, I went to the Chrome inspect tab. Wait, once I'll do one thing. Yeah, I went to the Chrome inspect thing. One second, I'll just show from start only. I went to Chrome inspect, okay, and I clicked entered on it. I have to do port forwarding. Okay, I have done port forwarding for my 5173 port, localhost 5173, and I have to wait for it to show all my stuff from my Chrome browser, which I've already opened. You need to keep your browser open in your while, by the way. And I've already opened the WebXR, so I'll just do inspect on it. Okay. And I'll click on refresh. Okay, so you are seeing this cube, it's coming from a mobile. Okay, now when I click on start here, I'm able to see the rotating cube, but for some reason it's not coming the browser currently. Okay, so but still, if you try by yourself in your mobile, and your mobile you'll be able to see the uh, rotating cube. Okay, if you follow along till here. Okay, That's it, I guess. And we can just deploy it also. Okay, so let me come here, close this. Oh, before that, I already have one test folder. Not to confuse you, I'll just delete this one. Okay, now I'm gonna run npm run build. Okay, another new dist file, dist folder. Okay, now I'm gonna take this one, revealing file explorer, and I'm gonna go to netlify, drop it. Let's wait for some seconds. Yeah, let's see the live link. Okay, as you can see, the avatar is coming up and you can see interact with it. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching till here. Okay, and in the next video we'll be continuing throughout whatever we've already done in this code. Okay, and we're basically gonna add hit testing also. Okay, hope to see you in the next video. Bye.